on, good people? Hey, listen, today we're gonna get into prepping some baby back ribs. All right, the baby back ribs come from the spine area that's connected to the pork loin. That's why it has that curve in it, and so we're gonna get into these. All right. There. All right. A little bit of that honey butter. It's gonna be good right here.
Terrence, give Edley's a shout out. They're in Nashville, Tennessee. Good barbecue.
Oh yeah. Edley's here. Definitely giving them a shout out out of Nashville. This rib rub is pretty amazing. They do some really good stuff. And they use J&R products. Oh yeah, look at that. That's gonna be good right there. I can tell you right now. All right. Let's go over here to the smoke master. Come around there. Cooking with all wood. All right. All right, we'll come back and see what they look like. All right, so listen, life of a pitmaster. Listen, this weather out here is unforgiving today. It's storming big time. But listen, we got this bad boy loaded down. Got the fire going in here. Yeah. We'll start the grill soon too. What's going on, good people? So listen, I'm up here at J&R in Mesquite, Texas. Man, the smoker company Kings. Get ready to celebrate the 50th. So I'm in the lab. So listen, I'll show you a pan a little bit here. This is the test kitchen. And so we'll start over here with the oiler. I got this bad boy going so far. Look at that. All wood, baby. Then we come over here to the smoke master. Got that bad boy going. It's gonna be some good cooking going on today. Look, we got the open grills over here getting ready. It's gonna be a good day.
What's up?
Yeah. So
We
listen
here,
man. Come on now.
Yeah.
This is barbecue royalty right here. The Needles, come on. You already know, man.
Hey, listen.
Pat, go ahead, bro.
Only thing I gotta say is I want to say hi to your mama.
Yeah.
'Cause you told me that your mama used to really watch our show. So
Man,
mama,
faithfully.
I wish you was here, honey. Hopefully I get to meet you soon. But your son is throwing down.
All right, ma, I love you.
Take care.
So now we get ready to take it outside and go put it on that open face grill. That's how you do it.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
You look like you've done this a time or
Come
two.
on, man. I'm not a rookie.
Yeah.
I know how to do this.
I'm not profiling, but you look like you like to eat.
Oh, man. Come on, man. Look, that's perfect right there.
Yeah.
Perfect right there. We're gonna sear that real nice. And it's gonna be a perfect medium rare medium. It's gonna be right on time.
Never trust a skinny chef.
That's right. That's right.
Or a doctor who's often supposed to die.
So, you got it on.
Maybe look at that next time. Look at that. Oh, that's sexy.